I'm Jonathan.
And I am Nathalia.
We had this vision of ourselves 10 years down the road, having a little farm and growing our own food and having like this sort of self-sustaining ecosystems-based kind of garden. And then this place came up on the market, and they'd done a lot of this work already for us. I got to give my hats off to the previous occupants.
It was such a wonderful surprise to find a property that was a permaculture microfarm already on its way to being established. They had been working on it for about 5 years.
The house being 85 years old and having several remodels and things like that, we anticipated it might be a little bit more than we could handle. And that's why we called in Tish. They'd done the floors at our last house.
And we had such a great experience.
Oh yeah, excellent.
Before we contacted Tish, actually, we had contacted some of the big box retailers, and as much as we wanted to say they were great,
they were not great.
We had so many issues that we decided to contact Tish at that time, and so our experience with them was wonderful. And when we came to this house and we suspected there was going to be some issues, we said, we need the pros, we called Tish.
Hi, I'm Rayce with Tish Flooring, and I've been with the company for over 20 years. The first thing that we do after we get all the product removed, we evaluate the floor. And in evaluation of the floor, we found things that were way beyond the manufacturer's guidelines. And we broke it down for them to explain to them what we were going to do, remove the subfloor, take care of some scissors, some joists, plane some joists, and then re-secure the subfloor down, glue and screw everything, and then we get ready to start putting the floor in.
Rayce and his team are consummate craftsmen. They came in and tore up the carpet and went over every square inch of floor. It was a level of detail and the commitment to quality that we'd never get from a big box store.
Yeah, it was pretty impressive.
One of the things that we do as a company that most companies don't do in this industry is we actually pay attention to what the manufacturer's guidelines are, because we want to set our customers up for success. It was an absolute pleasure installing this, because the end product, we had a lot of different colors, a lot of natural woods that were blended together. So it's not something that we normally get to do, so it was a really fun project.
It was wonderful that with this particular floors, there's 3 different hardwoods combined in the product, so we get a little bit of the beautiful hickory that I love. We have
this mellow maple.
Exactly, that is so beautiful.
And of course, oak. In Mannington, they use sustainable farming for all their products, and they're using low VOCs. They look fantastic.
It brought the beauty that we were looking for a contemporary look, but at the same time tied that look with the nature that you can see from all the beautiful windows.
It's something that doesn't look out of place in a farmhouse.
And yet it is super modern, but very eco-friendly. We cannot be happier.
It's like a little enchanted fairy tale kingdom. It's an amazing place.